we are having a question based on the principle of mathematical induction. Now A and B are the square matrices of same order such that AB is equal to BA. Now condition 1 is AB is equal to BA. Then we have to prove by the induction that number 1 AB raised to power n is equal to B raised to power n A. And then the second part. Now let's start with the first part. Now proving the first part, AB raised to power n is equal to B raised to power n A. Now this we have to prove. Okay. Now for the induction part, we are taking n is equal to 1, n is equal to k and n is equal to k plus 1. Okay. So step 1, that was the basic step. Step 1, let n is equal to 1. Okay. When we are putting n is equal to 1, then what we are getting? A B raised to power 1 is equal to B raised to power 1A, and this is equal to AB is equal to BA. Okay, and we are given AB is equal to BA. Therefore, n is equal to 1 is true by principle of mathematical induction. For all values of n, where n belongs to natural number. Okay, so step 1, simple. Now step 2 is what? It is supposition. Okay, now step 2. Step 2, let n is equal to k be true. Okay, n is equal to k be true. Then we are having a raised to power bk is equal to b raised to power k with a. Okay, or you can write it, sorry, n is equal to k is true when n is equal to 1 is true by PMI, mathematical induction, for all values of n where n belongs to natural number. Step 3, let n is equal to k plus 1. Now for k plus 1 we are having a raised to power b k plus 1 is equal to b raised to power k plus 1 with a. Now we have to prove this. Okay, a with b raised to power k plus 1, b raised to power k plus 1 with a. Now left hand side, let's prove it. Now left hand side we are having a b raised to power k plus 1. Now to this what we can write? To this part we can write a b raised to power k with b. Okay, so further we can write this as a b raised to power k with b. Now a b raised to power k, this is equal to b k a. Now this is equal to b raised to power k a with b from step 2. Okay, this is the reason. Now this will become b raised to power k ab, and further b raised to power k ab becomes ba. Now given ab is equal to ba. Now what this becomes? B raised to power k b with a, and finally it becomes b raised to power k plus 1 with a. Okay, now we have proved left hand side, and what is this? This is right hand side. Okay, hence we have proved left hand side is equal to right hand side, or P, or you can write n is equal to k plus 1, sorry, n is equal to k plus 1 is true by principle of mathematical induction for all values of n where n belongs to natural number. Okay, so coming for the second question. Second question is, we have to show that prove by the principle of induction ab raised to power n is equal to an b. Okay, so now first part, assuming n is equal to k, sorry 1. Okay, so step 1, let n is equal to 1. Okay, so this is step number 1, n is equal to 1. Now when we are putting n is equal to 1, what we are getting? AB raised to power 1 whole the power, okay, is equal to A1 with B power 1, and this becomes AB is equal to AB. Okay, therefore n is equal to 1 is true by PMI for all values of n where n belongs to natural number. It is already given. So this is step number 1. Now step 2. In step 2, what we are taking? N is equal to k. Now taking n is equal to k. Okay, so we are getting now AB whole the power k is equal to AK BK. Okay, now assuming n is equal to k is true when n is equal to 1 is true by PMI. Okay, right, by PMI, principle of mathematical induction. Now step 3. Step 3, n is equal to k plus 1. Now let n is equal to k plus 1. Even we can write here, put n is equal to k plus 1, or write let n is equal to k plus 1. Okay, one at the same thing. Now let n is equal to k plus 1. Now what we are having? AB whole the power k plus 1 is equal to a raised to power k plus 1 and b raised to power k plus 1. Now we have to prove this. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, now proving left hand side is equal to AB whole the power k plus 1. Now splitting the power, what we are having? AB raised to power k with AB raised to power 1. Now AB raised to power k is what? AK BK, or we can write it this: A raised to power k, B raised to power k with AB 1. Okay, we can write AB 1 or simple AB. Now we can write here, we can give the reason. What we have used? AB whole the power k is equal to AK BK from step 2. This is from step 2. Okay, now AK BK, one thing, with AB, what AB is now? AB we can write it for simple B raised to power k. Okay, AB as it is, this can be written as AK then B raised to power k A with B. Now B raised to power k A, what we are having, this was B raised to power k A was from first part. Okay, from first part. What it shows now, we are having AK BK A, it will be ABK then B. Now we can write it from first part of question from the first part. What we did in the first part, it was ABK is equal to BKA. Okay, step 2. This was of step 2. Okay, remember this thing because these two are the continue questions. Now this becomes what? AK A, BK B. Okay, like this one, and this becomes, sorry, A raised to power k plus 1, B raised to power k plus 1 is equal to right hand side. Is equal to right hand side. Hence, now we can write it. Hence, n is equal to k plus 1 is true by PMI for all values of n where n belongs to natural number. Okay, so remember one thing for proving the second part of the question. This is first part, this is the second part. First part is included. We have to go through it. So that's why I have written in the black. Okay, so it was a very nice question.